Welcome and discover the future of biometric facial recognition for your personal income tax registration. SARS made it easy for you to register as a taxpayer remotely with the SARS mobile app on your mobile phone and with the SARS eFiling system. The biometric recognition system aids SARS in preventing fraud and other illegal activities while offering a secure user experience for taxpayers. Our biometric facial recognition system ensures you a secure, accurate, and efficient registration process. Once you open the SARS mobile app or the eFiling web, navigate to the registration button on the screen. On the next screen, complete your name and your surname. Select Yes that you are a South African citizen and complete your ID number. Select Next to continue. On the next screen, complete your contact details that includes your cell phone number and your email address. Select Use your email as username button or create your own username. Next, create and confirm your password. Select Next to continue. The authentication notice will be displayed. Read carefully through the notice on how it works and select Next to continue. The next screen will display the biometric instructions. Please read carefully through the list. Make sure that the camera is on eye level and the background must be clear with proper lighting. Remove all headgear and glasses. Ensure both eyes are open, mouth closed, head straight and looking straight into the camera, and follow the grid that will guide you to move your head. Once you are comfortable with the instructions, you can select Next to proceed with the facial recognition process. When the grid appears on your screen, it will randomly prompt you to turn your head, such as slightly to the right or slightly to the left. The next prompt will ask you to tilt your head slightly down. The system will take 10 seconds between each prompt to capture and verify your image before proceeding to the next prompt. Next, you will be prompted to move your head to face straight forward into the camera. The verification process will start now. Upon successful verification, the system will display a green indicator to confirm that your biometric verification has passed. You will then need to log in with your username and password to proceed with the registration process. In the event that your first verification failed, a message will be displayed, requesting to please make sure that your face is correctly positioned in the facial grid and to try again. Select OK to try again. You will be allowed 3 attempts to verify your facial identity. Remember to focus your eyes on the camera while being prompted to align your face on each positioning. After 3 unsuccessful attempts, you will receive a message that SARS were unable to successfully authenticate you with the images provided. A verification case will be created and you need to complete the verification process. Log in and enter the username and password that you have created to log into your profile. Once the screen is open, write down the case number for future communication with SARS. Click Continue to proceed to the next screen. Click Upload. The next screen will show you which documents to upload. Remember to make sure you have uploaded all the required documents before submitting to SARS. For more information, please visit our SARS website at sars.gov.za. SARS, at your service.